Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're curious about dipping your toes into the world of Bitcoin without the hassle of managing crypto wallets or dealing with exchanges, then investing in the iShares Bitcoin Trust is a great option. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know in simple steps. First things first, what is the iShares Bitcoin Trust? It's an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, created by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers. This fund holds actual Bitcoin and tracks its price, allowing you to invest in Bitcoin's performance through traditional stock markets like Nasdaq. It's a more regulated and accessible way for beginners to gain exposure to crypto. Why should you consider it? Bitcoin has seen explosive growth over the years, offering potential for high returns, and this ETF makes it easier to add to your portfolio without the technical complexities of direct crypto ownership. Plus, it's traded like any stock, which means you can buy and sell during market hours. Now, let's break down how to get started. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reliable platform like Vanguard, Fidelity, or E-Trade. If you're new, look for ones with low fees and educational resources. Step 2. Fund your account. Link your bank account and deposit money. Make sure you have a clear budget in mind. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Step 3. Research the ETF. Its ticker symbol is IBIT, so search for that on your broker's platform. Understand the current price and how it correlates with Bitcoin's value. Step 4. Place your order. Decide on the number of shares based on your investment goals, then buy at market price or set a limit order. Once done, keep an eye on your investment through your broker's app. Of course, remember the risks. Bitcoin is highly volatile, and factors like market changes or regulations could affect your returns. Always do your homework and consider talking to a financial advisor. There you have it. Investing in iShares Bitcoin Trust made simple. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.